A. That's we play in Rebels. Every day we play in Rebels with knife. That's how good we are. I know you need to like go because I know you like go. I know you like want the knife. I know you like know the knife is good and whatever you say you shout out to my fan because one is the best. And I even told you that's how that's how fun all they're the best at all. That's how bunch the heart because I know everybody practices knife because practices knife is the best. Knife is the best in rivals. Because the knife literally backstabs its one hit. That's how good the knife. I literally beat a 1v2 because how good is the knife. I know I hit a trick shot last time, and I know you're like so. I know you're interested with the knife. That's how good am I. That's how good am I. That's how good am I. That's actually how good am I. That's how good am I. That's how good am I. Because the second you are, that's how good the knife is. So if you're bad at knife, and you can be, and the knife is literally broken because you can do a front stab. If you just do this quick, if you do this quickly, it's a knife. There it's the front, it's not edited, it's real. If you wanna try it now. That's good. That's how good is the knife. That's how good is the knife. That's how good is the knife. That's how good is the knife, and it's broken because you can literally backstab here. In shooting range, I know that every stupid trick, but it's still cool. That's how nice is the best play in the world. I know, it's real. I'm not trolling. I actually beat a level 400. It's not fake. It's not fake. I just didn't record it when I was gonna win the level 400 left. And I think he rage quit when he saw me backstab him 4 times. It's not real. It's real. I just stuttered and say it's not real. It's actually real. No one can ever beat me with knife, but anyone can beat me with bow, because the bow's like the worst weapon in the game. It's not energy rifle. It's the bow. Look how hard is that. That's how the knife is the best thing in the game. That's how knife is the best thing in the game. I know the knife is the best thing in the game always because it's like the best thing, because it's the best melee in the world. Just people saying it's the trowel, you can just kill with it, and you cannot even backstab. And if the backstab with knife, it's one hit. And the backstab with trowel, it's not even one hit. It's 2 hits. And that's how bad the trowel. That is how bad a trowel. Don't use trowel ever again. If you have favorite the skin. If your favorite skin is if your favorite weapon is the trowel, you don't use it. The knife's better. Just look on YouTube. It actually says trowel's the best. Just search up Rivals trowel is it actually the best. And there's some YouTube shorts and videos. And there is a thing. There's a twist. I thought the mouse better. No, it's actually not. The mouse, if you hit him, it's actually good. If you hit with a mouse, it does 75 damage. It's like the crossbow with a headshot.